GCNI Purwakarta, AI delivers and personalizes the learning for senior high school student. By leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, AI, in education, teacher can create immersive and personalized learning environments for students. There are numerous ways that AI is already being used in education, like automating administrative tasks, helping teacher deliver and personalize lesson plans, and generating various quiz questions. In addition to helping identify areas where students may need a little extra help. AI is constantly evolving and new tools are coming out daily. AI tools that can be incorporated in classroom to help improve student learning outcomes, efficient work, and elevate students' learning experience. For course and lesson plan creation, use Education Copilot ChatGPT or ClassPoint. No longer we have to spend hours designing less material or creating visually stunning and engaging content for the lessons. But AI can help with that. Education Copilot uses AI to generate structured lesson plans and lesson materials that is personal and fit students' needs. Optimize ChatGPT to ask for a lesson plan, a rubric, or edit information along with any other specific prompts that can be used at any stage in lesson planning process.